Alright, busan for men church will be and some more be aqua baby men from by and cassette TV and cassette TV the update any trending news on quantity this way viewers and for message say any day they can tell me message say yeah share video more be on sanka video and sanka no more dear cause for my Ghana more say it is almost who dear call ne like ne for a drink chess book comment section the Beshinia can be a mom and update am they go there busan for me who I dream ye pan and yes and to say Ghana has said dear enyoma ekoso de asefem pa mpanyimfo no de kyese Ghana di agro abusuafo enya asenkutu meso so beka me ho ne yakwakuti ensani mu nkyeremu ye pa eba beto aso me de obi ase
my joy adom online anafi yera same jamfi nti bekenka amwati na makenka yankasa so afidie de no na wati na de ugina ya na mo court eba no so aka me atiase.
Okay.
Yera same jamfi de about say breaking news. Lawyer Same Jamfi, communications director for officer for the NDC. High Court judge in the ambulance case involving Honorable Ato Forson and Mr. Jakpa has directed Attorney General Godfred Odame to stay away from the trial on grounds of professional and prosecutorial misconduct. This is after the court declined jurisdiction to order an inquiry and mistrial based on the prosecutorial misconduct of the Attorney General. The court directed the Honorable Ato Forson to seek redress at the appropriate forum, the General Legal Council, if so minded. The telephone recording between Mr. Jakpa and the Attorney General has, however, been admitted into evidence despite protests from the Attorney General that same was inadmissible. This is the first time that an Attorney General of Ghana has been directed by the court to recuse himself from a trial. Okay, so it goes on ruling on application filed by Mr. Jakpa is still being raised. Okay. Walk us through the one can say course.
Yeah, so let's begin with the first one, which is what you quoted as to be coming from Same Jamfi, who is with the opposition NDC, you know. I am no correct. Let's see what quote here. The certain judge was advice the football and or the man Attorney General Godfred Odame. Having listened to the audio, in the audio no or say Attorney General Richard Jakpa Kasa Afa medical excuse duty Richard Jakpa and solicited from a medical facility to enable him delay the proceedings in court. Now, or no Attorney General on two on case, you know. According to the sitting judge, you know, she find that problematic. And so to protect the dignity of the judiciary, when we to Attorney General of say, Tenka onu kwa anka Godfred Odame on twini hu fi is na ekoso na obi for from the Attorney General's office and to us. So it is an advice. They put to Anna judge, you know, at the Attorney General. You have to emphasize the advice. Then you put to any directive and I say order. On share the say Mr. Godfred Odame step down or recuse yourself from this ongoing trial by order of court. No. And you know this here. Judge and say based on that particular conversation to the effect that Mr. Jakpa should get an excuse form from a hospital to get him to delay the trial. No. She finds it problematic. But she goes on to say that she doesn't have the jurisdiction to make a concrete ruling on that. It is only the General Legal Council that is the body clothed with the powers to deal with that. She is the area party now or involved. No, they should seek redress from the General Legal Council.
Okay, so on this one, what it means is that Attorney General pa an offer or pa onfa.
obefa. Now, yet to court one, even after that advice has been given to the Attorney General, the Attorney General went on to engage in the case. He didn't keep quiet. In fact, he is the only lawyer from the Attorney General's office. I mean, lawyers are moving Attorney General office or by an on or Kasai and kind of even though after the advice that has been given by the judge, on one of course, so Kasai, it's a signal that maybe, just maybe, he will not take, he will kindly turn down the advice given by the judge. And when he came out, he decided to say, what does he make of the directive or the advice by the judge? I know Kasai say, even after the advice, he went on to engage. So he didn't say he will not take the advice, but he said he said even after the advice, he still went on. We don't know whether in future he would excuse himself or he would turn down the advice and continue to prosecute the ongoing trial.
So two main things. It can never be true that the Attorney General was directed. That's number one. The other fact is that a judge in the share say Yera Jakpa Yera Ato Forson say only to say one or how be was an common cosuna and omitimi Edia Court General Legal Counsel. I could do one in common. Is that the case?
And Sapepe on chain a kitty say on train and also Japane lawyers no. So pair General Legal Counsel any bit may be the conduct of the Attorney General on that telephone with regards to the Japa going to a hospital to get an excuse form to delay the trial. No, that conduct of the Attorney General. No, if Japa epe redress and then the lawyer epe redress, the only form available that is clothed with the powers is the General Legal Counsel. So they should. So that's what she ended it there. That is the General Legal Counsel that has the powers, or that is close with the powers to deal with that.
Okay, so what happened again?
And also read the Manjo online story that says that the applications, yes. So that is the fact. All the applications filed by Richard Jakpa and Dr. Case Ato Forson, the minority leader, they've all been dismissed by the sitting judge. That is it. Application for stay, for mistrial, and then for the Richard Jakpa to be cross-examined on the tape by Ato Forson's judge. So she made the reference that the tape, what is contained on the tape happened barely 2 weeks ago. And so the question the judge posed, he said, how can Adia AC just 2 weeks ago ever say case Akoso for the past 2 years? Case in Akoso about 2 years. That's a BBS and not 2 weeks here. Judge doesn't find it prudent, say, Obemasa tape no Abe Kwashi, all the work that has been done. The fact that so that also as the tape now Richard Jakpa recorded on the Attorney General. Sisi I can say court now to or tape no accepting into the court. Into Sisi tape no the court in any man. In Jinaswa judge they make it that ruling say Attorney General Godfred Odame on pie bebia court or and deny say tape no or no any Richard Jakpa no munya conversation or say her ruling is based on that it has not been denied. You see say FBI. Okay, let's all go into ifs and buts. But that is what the judge said, that it's not been denied, and so the pen drive is admitted.
Okay, so what it means is that tape no